When I think back to my childhood, Pampas grass was one of those ubiquitous plants that I'd see in neighbours' gardens. And actually the stylisation of how these were planted often was that you would see a big dominant single plant in the middle of a lawn and virtually nothing else around it. And whilst they were lovely, actually it's a bit dull if you've just got one plant in your garden. So what the plant breeders have done with Tiny Pampa is they've actually taken all of the very best bits of Pampas grass that we would have known and loved over years, but they've shrunk them down into a size that now means they're perfect for the modern garden. So Tiny Pampa can be grown in pots on your patio. It could be in a smaller garden, in a courtyard garden. You can still now have Pampas grass because these grow to about 60 centimetres, so roughly 2 foot tall, and they spread around about 15 to 18 inches. So they're really compact. They're really compact in terms of height and spread, so they really will fit virtually any garden. In terms of what they do, well, clearly you've got that lovely foliage that sits there all year long, but through the summer months you get those lovely stems of beautiful white fluffy flowers that they're irresistible almost. When you pass by, you just can't stop yourself touching them. So they look gorgeous, they're long lasting, they're completely winter hardy, and they are absolutely perfect for the modern garden. So if you want a Pampas grass, but you want the shortened version that you can now grow at your house, this is the perfect variety. So Pampas grass Tiny Pampa.